Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how you can make money on YouTube. YouTube has become a massive platform for sharing and watching content. And it's no surprise that many creators are looking to monetize their channels. There are three main ways to make money on YouTube: advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. Let's dive in. 1. Advertising. YouTube allows creators to place ads on their videos, which can be a great way to generate income. You'll need to have a 1,000 watch time requirement to become an advertiser, and the amount you can earn depends on your view count and the relevance of your content to the ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products from other companies, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. To get started, you'll need to create content that attracts your audience, and then link your YouTube channel to the relevant product pages. This can range from clothing and accessories to digital products and services. 3. Selling your own products. If you have something to sell, a physical or digital product, you can list it on your YouTube channel and sell it through your channel. This is a great way to generate additional income and build your brand. In conclusion, making money on YouTube can be achieved through various methods, but it requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. So, start creating content, building an audience, and see where the money goes.